Hello and welcome to the USANA affiliate program exclusively for nurses. My name is Diane DiStefano and I've been a registered nurse for 31 years now. Just completed my master's in nursing a year ago. And it's been an amazing journey. I love this profession. I'm so passionate about it and helping others to feel well and being proactive for their health. And I'm joined with Carol. Let you introduce yourself.
Yes, I'm Carol Ebert, and I've been a nurse for over 40 years. And I started out in nursing and then realized that I was taking care of patients that I thought shouldn't be in the hospital. They should have been preventing those things. And so I switched to prevention and wellness early in my career. I've been in the wellness industry for all these years and love it, have seen great value. I believe that nurses are key to helping patients stay well and also, of course, take care of them, but still move into the direction of wellness. And so I'm excited about this opportunity to share with you with USANA and the affiliate program, which I've been in USANA for over 15 years, and it has even elevated my health even more. So thank you, Diane, for partnering with me on this.
You're so welcome. It's my pleasure. And it's an amazing career you've had helping people. And we are so grateful to have Krista Rialba here to present the affiliate program to everyone. Krista has been a social marketing whiz for over 15 years. She's a superstar, super supportive mentor in this business, and a mom of two. Thank you so much, Krista.
Thank you, Carol and Diane. I'm so happy to be here. And hello, health heroes. I am honored to be sharing this with you. I love USANA, and I'm so grateful that we now have a program that I think is going to be really supportive to you in helping other people. So let's dive into it. So the company, if you haven't already heard of it, it's USANA Health Sciences. We are a 30-year proven company trusted by Olympic athletes, health professionals all around the globe. The science is unmatched. The quality you can really trust and put your name behind, and products for all ages, stages, and health goals. So you may have heard of USANA at this point, but if not, we're here to support you in learning about USANA because it's absolutely the best of the best. And over to you, Carol.
Right. Speaking of the best, these products are so good that they're in the PDR and they're also in the CPS in Canada. So when you're looking for a high quality nutritional product and you see that it's in these publications, you know you can trust it. And Diana, there's even more, isn't there?
Yes. So there are numerous third-party certifications that USANA has felt that very important to be certified by companies. The NSF is a certification that's really important for athletes. So when athletes see this, they have the stamp of approval to be able to take these products. And elite athletes don't just put anything into their bodies. It follows good manufacturing practices, which is the highest standards for pharmaceuticals. So numerous certifications, and of course, our founder, Dr. Myron Wentz's potency guarantee. So what's in the tablet is also on the label and vice versa.
Absolutely.
All right. And Krista, tell us about the program.
Okay, so I'm so proud to share that I've been working with USANA head office for the last year to create this. I think this is really instrumental in just empowering each and every one of you to share wellness in a very easy way. You know, we all show up differently, we all share differently, but this program is inspired because of you. We want to empower people who love health to share health more easily and in a very simple way.
Wonderful.
And this program is for absolutely everyone. We're sharing this specifically for nurses, but here's the thing is even within this group, of course, there's a lot of different ways that you can be showing up in your profession. So anyone who shares wellness in any capacity at all, this will work really well for you. And no, you don't have to be a social media influencer. Social media is a great way to share, but also how do you share already? Probably through text message through word of mouth. That will work for that as well. So what makes this program different? There's so much. This is just like a kind of a Cole's Notes version, but the integrity and longevity of the company is something that I think we really need to highlight, because USANA, again, like I said, it's been around for 30 years. It's a trusted name, and especially with your profession and your credibility, you want to make sure that you're partnering with the best. Also, link tracking is very practical, because I don't know if you can relate to this. I definitely do. When someone shares a link with me, or when I click on a link for anything, I don't always purchase the first time. Sometimes it's a week later, sometimes even a month later, and sometimes I need to be like reminded, right? So the greatest thing is that if I don't purchase right away because I get distracted, it's still tracked to that affiliate. So if you share a link with someone, they come back a week later, you're still getting paid. Also, we pay out weekly, so weekly pay structure and very competitive commission. The ability to share individual product links is great. So for example, I'm drinking this delicious detox tea, great for my digestion. So I can share this specific link, but I can also create a customized product list for all products that support digestive health and well-being. Also, you have access to creative assets and tons of product knowledge, including Ask the Scientist, which is an incredible resource that I know you guys will love and use. And also the affiliate referral rewards, which we're going to dive into. There's something that I'm really excited about, but first I actually want to ask Diane and Carol, what stands out for you specifically for your peers?
For me, integrity always. And, you know, the other part of it, the integrity piece, is that these products are manufactured in an FDA certified facility. Just another extra bonus to know that you're getting good, excellent products. And also the other part is getting paid and being able to work independently and have a paycheck. Very nice.
Yeah, I echo what Carol just said. And also just the simplicity of using this program. Everything is right there at your fingertips. Nurses are so busy. You want to be able just to tap something and send it off. So the ability to share the individual products or putting together these product lists for people with such ease is really important.
Love it. Okay, so now my most exciting favorite thing about this program is the ongoing earnings. Okay, so you may know fellow peers that you work with who have a little side gig going on, a little side hustle. Maybe it's different products or whatever, right? And that's great to earn extra income. But isn't it more savvy that when you share something that you get paid ongoing for it, right? That's a better use of our time. And also, if we think about these products, that means that we're making a difference ongoing. So ongoing earnings is the most important part of this program from my perspective, because when you share a link with someone and they become a customer of USANA Health Sciences, that customer is forever linked to you. You're going to earn commission on everything they ever purchase. How powerful is that, right? See how that can add up? Also, it's a consumable product, right? So people are purchasing typically monthly. And also, if they decide to have their order come automatically, which is just very convenient. I know I have a lot of my favorite products come monthly. USANA actually rewards our customers with an additional 10% savings. So incentivizing them to get, consistent with their health program. And then automated orders equals automated income for you. So let's just recap the opportunity here or dive into the details. So you're going to earn 15 to 20% commission. 20% really takes care of most of the product line. There is one aspect of our product line that's 15%. Paid weekly direct deposit. We have a very simple, easy to use dashboard to manage your campaigns. In fact, last night someone came on board. I was talking to them on the phone. They accessed their dashboard and they were sharing links within a minute. Like, it was so fast and easy. Now, potentially passive income, right? Just based on what I just shared with you. And there's no fees, there's no quotas, there's no strings attached, absolutely zero fees whatsoever. And then also you'll have access to exclusive social marketing mentorship if you're looking to improve your skills in terms of social sharing, which I can help you with.
It's fantastic.
So here are some of the perks. Again, the commission. You can also refer a friend to earn even more rewards. So once you see that this is so easy and working for you and you earned that check, or maybe even right away, you're like, I need to share this with my fellow nurses, or maybe it's your children, or maybe a friend. Absolutely anyone can leverage this program. And then also you, which you need to take care of you. I know how hard you work. You're also going to receive preferred pricing on USANA products. So how it works, you're going to share links easily from your phone, from the dashboard, text them, put them on social, send them to a friend, however you share. You can customize your lists as we already shared, or share individual products. You earn on every order and see what's possible, right? It's not like you have to have all this attention and focus to get this started. It can be something on the side. You repeat and grow your income as you see fit and as you're inspired to do so. So here's a quick peek at the affiliate dashboard. Again, so easy. We also even recorded a 7-minute overview just to dive into some of the details of this dashboard, but it's pretty intuitive. You're going to grab your links and go. So let's just go over an example of what this could look like. So let's say 10 customers each purchase around $100 worth of wellness products. That's $1,000 in sales. So you would earn $200. Simple math. But Carol actually has an example that might hit home, closer to home.
Yes, I work with people who have gut problems. Who doesn't have gut problems? And so we package the products into what's called the Balance Your Belly pack. And so if I am working with someone, I send the link to this package. They order this package. Now I'm going to work with them over a month time to guide them into better health practices and on how to use the products. Well, because of that $285 package, I will earn $57. So let's say I had 3 clients that I'm working with at one time. If they all bought, then we have $171 in commission coming my way. This is how it can work for you. But of course, there's lots of different products available. So Diane, maybe it isn't this, it might be something else. What would you say?
Exactly. So there really is something for everyone in this program, in this company. Perhaps you're really passionate about skincare. So we have an amazing skincare line with Celavive and some of Sanse products. Maybe you enjoy mood and relaxation and know people who need to relax some more. We have the mood and relaxation packs. And then, of course, the supplements and amazing food products that are all low glycemic and well balanced and healthy. And then there's personal care. There's so much more in this company that there's something for everyone, basically.
And don't forget,
Yeah.
back to those packages, right? When someone has incredible results and they're feeling better because of your guidance, they're going to order that again and again and again, right?
Mm-hmm.
So powerful. So what it can look like, so obviously you're learning from 2 of the best right here, Diane and Carol, how they're integrating it, and you can see them showing up on Instagram and Facebook quite consistently, as is our friend Cindy Snow. So here are 3 examples if you'd like to take inspiration from, but we really just have to emphasize that this can look so many different ways and success will follow. It's really about how you want to show up and share. And again, social media is one incredible outlet, but it's not the only one. But definitely take inspiration from these 3 ladies, follow them, see what they're doing on Instagram, and then take inspired action. Then what it can look like in other capacities, right? Maybe you've always wanted to start a blog, or maybe you have one. Maybe you share on YouTube. Maybe you are a teacher, an instructor. Maybe you hold workshops or classes. Maybe people just come to you all the time and they ask, what do I do? Because you're a nurse. It's like, how do I fix this? You're like, okay, I'm going to send you some step-by-steps and some tips, and that could also include the links that would correspond with products that would help them to heal or to feel better. There's so many ways you can do this. I also love the idea of newsletters. We also have content that's ready to go. So health articles that are written for you that you could leverage. So what are the next steps? Well, this couldn't be more simple. The 3 of us probably could explain this in about 60 seconds. But you're going to enroll. You're going to enroll right now, because even if you're just curious enough to be here, then just go ahead and sign up. It's going to take you about a minute. It's very basic information, name, email, and mailing address, I think. Very basic. And then you can get into the dashboard and check it out. Check this out, explore this, see what this can do for you, see what this could be, the possibilities, right? So sign up through the link that was shared with you for the person who shared this presentation. If it was Carol, Diane, or the person who shared it with you. And then the next thing you want to do is to access the dashboard. So right away, you'll receive an email from USANA that says access your dashboard. So go ahead and click on that and get into the dashboard. And then also, whoever shared this with you, I'm pretty sure they're going to have some really great resources and support for you. And we're here to support you every step of the way. I'm going to pass it to my favorite nurses here to close.
Thank
Well,
you.
I'm just excited about being part of this new program because it's brand new, and it's really going to be something that you're going to be able to get excited about. You're probably going to want to take the products and then find out, oh my gosh, I feel so much better, and you're going to want to share it. And so it's a natural for you to be a part of this. So thank you for your time.
Thank you, everyone.